Now, that just gives, you know, color through the lashes. Last but not least, I'm going to use, instead of my finger, I'm going to use a large flat shader. This is an E60 from Sigma. And I'm going in this color, which I normally would use my finger, but a flat shader is also, I might wet it a little bit just to make sure it stays well. And I am going to get a small mirror to make sure I get this just right. I'm going to stay out here and up just a little. This is just to add a little unusual color to the pie. And I can already tell you this does not work as well as your finger. Now you see that. Watch the difference. Look at that. Your finger, for some reason, is just a better color for this kind of thing. It just is. So I'm just going to use it on the other eye. And you can flick it off to make sure you get any fallout off. And I'm mostly kind of going up and kind of to the middle, not as much on the outer area. There we go. Let's make sure it's even on both sides. Maybe go up a little more. Just a touch of it's getting in there. And that just gives kind of a pretty, this is that same peachy pink we did the other day. I called it peachy pinky eye. I changed it to pinky eye because then I thought pink eye. Pink eye sounds bad. Okay, and I'm wiping my finger off on my trusty towel down here if you're wondering what I'm doing. There's nothing wrong with using a short shader, but as you can see, a flat shader, the finger just works better, I think. Right now we're going to do liner, and I'll have to do a mascara separately, so you're not going to see that. But y'all know how to put on mascara. If not, comment below if you would like a mascara video. I do them all the time. But if you'd like a specific one, comment below. I feel like I just got something in my eye. Oh well. There we go. And over here. This is the Tartist on one end. It is a crayon for the waterline. It is gel, I believe, so it's very smoothly going on. I don't know if it is a deer or a cat, but something has really got my dogs wired up on the other end of the house. I know you can hear them. I'm very sorry. Now I'm using my, oh, I didn't blend. Always use your blender. And I use an E40. These brushes that I'm calling out to you, I would say get yourself, I would select these, or I would get I don't think these all come in one set on sigmabeauty.com, but they should. If I ever get to be a sponsored person or whatever, I would set up this makeup brush set. That's what I would do. Is the perfect. And I would include the flat shader and the blender, along with the short shader, which is an E20, the E25, and the E45. And the Kabuki, the flathead Kabuki for your makeup, the F80. And the angled brush for blushing and contouring. That would be my perfect set. Y'all, I'm really sorry. The puppies are going ballistic here. I guarantee it's the cat. Guarantee it's the cat. Okay, that's a little heavy, to be honest, but it's okay. So that is my end look. Oh wait, I haven't done any blush. Let's use this. Let's use Pixie by Petra. I haven't used this in like ever. No, I don't want to use that. I want to use, let's use this combination. This is the KKW Luxe, which is a very pretty kind of a peachy bronze. Stay above your hollow. Right there's your hollow. Stay above that. Then go to your temples, across your hairline, back down to your temples. Now we'll do the other side. almost in a diagonal for us older ladies. I do come in because I have chickmunk cheeks. You don't have to do that. Under the nose and under the chin. Be very careful with this when you have a white shirt on. And all this does is it gives a natural shadow, or apparently natural. You want it to look natural anyway. This shadow, again, makes you not look so fatty. Be sure and blend down, that's the key. All the way to your back of your neck, all the way down. And then when I do some blushing, we will be in front of everywhere we just were. What do I mean by in front? Well, if you did back there, then you come forward to here. Now, if it's too much, I'll also do the bridge of the nose and across the top of the cheek and round it out. Across the top of the cheek and round it out. And the top of the chin, right there. And then also the jowl on either side and blend it on down. Now, if you feel like, because you're sweating like I am, that you did too much of anything, then go ahead and take your foundation brush you just used and just kind of go from the center back out to kind of blend out those lines underneath. And that just kind of dissipates it a bit. And then be sure and wipe it off. Alright, y'all, so all I have to do now is my eyelashes, and I'm going to let my liner dry a little bit first, but I will let y'all go. I got to go take my puppy dogs, and I hope y'all are doing well. Comment below if you want more of these kind of videos, and please like and subscribe. I would appreciate it very much. I love you guys. I'll see you again soon.